ये माइक माइक रख दो, माइक उसको लगा दो, दूसरी को लगा दो, इसी को लगा दो। मुकाबला सख्त होगा, है ना? लग गया? चलो ओके, आप आंखें बंद करो। स्टॉप कहना है।
स्टॉप।
दोबारा करें।
स्टॉप।
चलो आपकी बारी। आपने बता दिया विच चैप्टर। ग्रीन जो हो गए उनमें से नहीं बता सकते, उनके अलावा।
चेंजेस इन लिविंग थिंग।
चेंजेस इन लिविंग थिंग्स। ये वीडियो घर जाके आप देख सकते हैं डैशबोर्ड से। आर यू रेडी?
यस।
ऊंची आवाज से ही आंसर दे दें, ठीक है? आपने भी। ओके, व्हाट ऑब्जर्वेबल चेंजेस occur during the lifespan of a plant? Growth, flowering and food production. Only a single stage from seed to
Only a single stage from seed to a young plant.
only a single stage from seed to a young plant. What stage involves the production of young ones in the lifespan of an animal? Which is
Growth stage.
growth stage. What occurs after the production of a seed in the plant's lifespan? The plant stops growing, the plant produces food, the plant withers and dies, the plant begins to grow.
The plants begins to grow.
The plants begin to grow. What does the lifespan of a plant or animal refer to? The period from birth to death.
The period from birth to death.
What changes occur during the growth stage of an animal's lifespan? No physical change, development in size and physical changes, changes in reproductive abilities, and increase in appetite.
Development in size and physical changes.
ये 2 सवालों के आंसर सही दिए हैं 5 में से, जबकि 3 सवालों के आंसर गलत दिए हैं। तो अब टीम बी के लिए पता लग गया कितना है इसका टारगेट, ठीक है? तो अब आपने अपनी लीड जो है खुद ही सेट कर ली, सही है? टीम बी, आर यू रेडी? विच चैप्टर? Safety. Are you ready? Okay. Team B. How should you handle damaged roofs at home? Play and ignore the damage. Get it fixed immediately. Decorate the damaged area. Use it as a play area. Second, get it fixed immediately. What danger is associated with strangers? Making making friends, sharing information, personal safety issues, or seeking help. Seeking help. What can you do to stay safe with sharp objects? Keep them out of reach and handle with care. Play with them without supervision. Okay. Which situation poses a fire hazard at home? Using the oven while cooking, keeping flammable items away from the heat source, playing with matches. Second. Which of the following is a risk associated with using sharp objects? playing safely, cutting oneself, making crafts, या following instructions. Following instructions. एक सवाल का आंसर सही दिया है 5 में से और लीड बन गई है टीम ए की। उन्होंने 2 सवालों के आंसर सही दिए थे
Yes.
तो 1 नंबर की लीड अभी तक टीम ए के पास है। टीम ए, आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
ये दूसरा सेमीफाइनल जारी है, इसके बाद लास्ट मैच होगा, that could be फाइनल, ठीक है, that can be फाइनल। तो हम उसकी तरफ गामजन हैं। अब लास्ट राउंड चल रहा है, टीम ए, यू वुड डिसाइड फर्स्ट विच चैप्टर?
Conservation of natural resources.
कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
Okay, start. Which of the following animal is considered extinct? Elephants, tigers, dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs. Why is it important to save endangered animals? Because they are not important to the ecosystem, to maintain balance in the ecosystem and preserve biodiversity, to use them for entertainment, to eliminate their presence in nature.
To maintain balance in the ecosystem and
What impact does poaching have on endangered species? Poaching helps increase their population. Poaching has no impact. Poaching leads to a decline in their population. Poaching enhances their habitat.
poaching has no impact.
Poaching has no impact. Poaching. How does habitat loss affect endangered species? It has no impact on their survival. It improves their living conditions. It endangers their survival and reduces their population. It helps in their protection.
It endangers their survival and reduces their population.
Okay. What might happen if natural resources were completely used up? More resources would magically appear. Nothing would change. People
The
would
environment would thrive.
the environment would thrive. 3 सवालों के आंसर सही दिए हैं 5 में से, जबकि 2 सवालों के आंसर नहीं सही दे पाए। तो अब जो टारगेट है टीम बी को समझ आ गई है कितना है? लेवल करने के लिए 4 नंबर और जीतने के लिए 5 में 5। ओके, आर यू रेडी?
Yes.
टीम बी वुड डिसाइड विच चैप्टर? अल्लामा इकबाल। Okay. When did Allama Iqbal pass away? 14th August, 23rd March, 11th September, 2nd. 23rd March. What was Allama Iqbal's profession apart from being a poet? Second. What did Allama Iqbal advocate for in his philosophy? The importance of stagnation, the promotion of self-esteem and a strong character, the significance of dependency on others, the value of apathy. Fourth, the value of apathy. What are some famous poems by Allama Iqbal that are beloved by? कौन सा? Third. What did Allama Iqbal emphasize in his poetry for children? The importance of politics, the significance of selflessness and unity, the need for material wealth, the power of solitude and seclusion. Clear? 2 सवालों के आंसर सही दिए, ये वाला मुकाबला जीत गए हैं। क्या नाम है आपका? अब्दुल रहमान ए टीम से ये वाला मुकाबला जीत गया है। इनके लिए क्लैपिंग कर दें। चलो रखो, उतार दो। लास्ट अब फाइनल होने लगे, फाइनल के बाद इसके बाद खत्म क्विज, ठीक है। तो अब फाइनल के लिए आ जाए।